Have you ever thought you could earn $5 in PayPal money every 5 minutes? This guide will provide you with a solution to that question. Today, I'm going to show you a free application that works on whatever device you own. It doesn't matter if you're using a laptop, PC, tablet, iPad, or even your smartphone. This is a brand new way to make money online, and you can do it while eating, exercising, or running your own business. The only duties you'll have to complete are answering questions provided by the websites, and that's all there is to it. This approach may be used anywhere on the earth, and it's entirely free to begin with. However, you need to make sure to watch the video all the way through to learn every step of this method. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions in the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. So, the app we're going to speak about today is called enrollapp.com, and it looks like this on your screen. Our current method is based solely on this app, and they have been online for some time. Basically, what you'll be doing on this website is taking short surveys, which I'll demonstrate later in the video. As you can see on their homepage, this app's purpose is to make the web a better place, which I agree with because it's a lot of fun to use. Here are some of the reasons why I enjoy using this platform. To begin with, you will be the first to learn about the opportunities they have available. Second, you can use any device to take tests. Third, you will be rewarded through PayPal. Finally, you will create an impact on the internet and will be able to share your thoughts on many topics. Let's move on how to get started with our app by registering a new account. Scroll to the top of their homepage where you'll see Sign Up Email. I'd want you to make a new account and fill in your email address below. After that, enter and confirm your password. To agree to the website's terms and conditions, you must first click these two boxes. After that, click I'm not a robot, and then click Enroll Now to finish creating your very own account on this platform. I'd like you to log into your account now, and this is what you should see on your screen. You'll have to provide them a little more information about yourself. To begin, you must first provide your first name and last name. Then, after completing the CAPTCHA, click Continue. You'll then be taken to this website where you'll complete some tasks and fill in some information. You'll be able to check how far you've progressed by looking at this progress bar at the top. Simply click I accept your challenge to start the procedure. Then, select Let's Get Started. Now you must provide your PayPal address in order for them to send you money, and then click Continue. After that, you'll be asked what language you speak. Fill that out and then click Continue. After that, you'll be asked to enter your country code and phone number. As you can see, they welcome people from all around the world. So make sure you complete out both of those fields before clicking Continue. They'll ask you whether you're available to take surveys and complete various tasks, and if you say yes, they'll give you a top priority. After that, you'll be asked to choose your gender and birth date. So go ahead and do so. Next, choose your educational level. And for this one, I need you to select a higher degree of education, such as postgraduate or college graduate, and then click Next. You choose your industry for the next one. So go ahead and pick the best one that fits you and then click Next once more. You choose your annual income for the next question. And I recommend going with a greater income so they'll be more interested in you. After that, input your hobbies, and I'd appreciate if you could fill out as much as possible. You'll now be asked about your computer skills, and I'll need you to select Advanced for this one. Following that, you will be asked how many hours you spent on the internet. Please select 6 hours. After that, you'll select the devices you'll test on in the next one. And I'll need you to select all of the options offered so that they get you a variety of activities to accomplish. After that, click Finish Registration, and you're all finished with the process. Congrats! You've successfully created your own Enroll app account. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to enter to win $50, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Please pay close attention to what I'm about to say because everything I'm about to say will be crucial information that will assist you in the future. Please click Take Me to my dashboard. After you finish establishing an account, and you'll be directed to another page. This is where you can earn money by participating in activities and surveys. You'll be prompted to complete surveys like this, and you'll need to respond in order for your progress to move forward. Some examples of the surveys are as follows. Have you ever heckled a comedian? And you will just respond with a simple yes or no, and just click Continue. After that, next you'll be asked, are you a recruiter? And we'll be asked to say yes or no before pressing the Continue button. The questions are as simple as this, and the more questions you answer correctly, the more money you can make. It's literally as simple as that. As you can see, those are basically simple questions with simple answers. Just by answering all of these questions, people from all around the world have already earned about $5 every 5 minutes. So, what exactly are you waiting for? While signing up, go to enrollapp.com and follow the technique I've outlined. You can earn up to $1 every minute or even more if you followed me all the way. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of the $10 $50 gift cards, all you need to do is to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Taking Surveys. And you'll be entered to win once we hit 5,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.